I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to separate files from a PDF. First, open your PDF document in a suitable application. Look for an option like Extract Pages or Split PDF within the document tools. This feature allows you to select individual pages or a range of pages to create a new, separate PDF file. It's a straightforward process that saves you time and keeps your documents organized. Online PDF splitters provide a quick and convenient way to separate your documents without installing software. Simply visit a reputable online tool, upload your PDF file, and follow the on-screen instructions. You can often choose to split by page range, extract specific pages, or even split every page into its own file. Once processed, you can download your new, smaller PDF documents directly to your device. For more control and advanced features, desktop software is an excellent choice. Programs like Adobe Acrobat Pro offer comprehensive tools for managing PDFs, including powerful splitting capabilities. You can precisely define page ranges, split by file size, or even extract attachments. While some desktop solutions require a purchase, they often provide greater security and offline access, making them ideal for sensitive or frequent tasks. When separating PDF files, always remember to back up your original document before making any changes. This ensures you always have the complete version if needed. After splitting, take a moment to review your new PDF files to confirm all the desired content has been extracted correctly. For more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book on personal finance, please check the description below for links and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.